This brief video demonstrates a new solution framework developed by Evergence for taking advantage of Web 2.0 multi-channel communications plus collaboration principles as an option for developing a next-generation knowledge management or KM 2.0 solution. This technology-independent solution helps solve problems quickly and intelligently by learning from interactions between experts. Unlike most KM solutions, the Evergence KM 2.0 framework adapts to the user instead of requiring the user to adapt to the technology. The first area of the framework we will see is the Seek module. Here, users look for answers by initiating a collaboration using any choice of software communication channels, including email, instant messenger, a portal system, SMS text message, telephone, smartphone, or whatever channel the user may prefer. Here we see a user initiating the collaboration via email by simply sending an email to the collaboration email address, typing in an overview of their problem or issue in the subject line, and placing any additional or supporting details in the message body. Upon clicking the Send button, our framework will automatically intercept the message and create a collaboration workspace. If a user instead prefers Instant Messenger as their communication channel, they can simply send an IM to our collaboration screen name and hit Send. Our framework will automatically intercept the instant message and create a collaboration workspace. Using a portal interface, a user can simply input their problem, urgency, and any other fields your organization might wish to capture as part of the collaboration. Clicking Submit sends the collaboration request to our framework, which will in turn create a new workspace. The next area of the framework is the Share module. Here, we automatically return content for the collaboration as it evolves, and we identify users based on their expertise and availability and invite those experts into the collaboration via their preferred communication channel. It is important to remember that experts can be any user, both inside and outside the organization, and that the system automatically builds the user's preferred communication profile without any input required by that user. Here we see a collaboration workspace which has just been created. The first thing you should notice is that the information the user provided during the initiation of the collaboration is instantly captured in the new workspace. Now we see that the system has automatically tagged any concepts that have been mentioned in the collaboration, which are used immediately to present relevant search results. Those concepts are then utilized in finding users in the system who are both experts in that subject matter area and who are indicated as being available. Each of those users is then invited into the collaboration via their preferred communication channel. Let's look at an example of an invitation shown here as an email. Important information about the collaboration is displayed to the user directly in the invitation. Another example is an invitation by RSS feed. Here we see a user with several invitations displaying on their portal or home page. Yet another invitation example shown here is via instant message. The next area of the framework is the Solve module. Here we are focused on letting experts share information through multiple communication channels and pushing the evolving collaboration out to the users who are listening or subscribing to the collaboration. This obviously includes the initiating user, but can also include many others who are interested or who have previously participated in the collaboration. Here we see an expert who is invited via IM. This user can simply reply to the IM with their answer, and that information will again be captured by the framework and included in the collaboration thread. Similarly, an expert who has been invited via email can simply reply to that email with their answer, which will also be intercepted by the framework and included in the collaboration. For those users invited by an RSS feed, they can simply click on the invited link and post their answer directly to the collaboration workspace. The fourth and final area of the framework is the Learn module. The innovative ideas and technology encompassing this module allow the system to learn from ongoing collaborations and refine both relevant search results content and the participation of experts as the collaboration evolves. This module also iteratively builds a profile for each expert containing their subject matter expertise, their preferred communication channels, their average response time, and even the effectiveness of their responses, which is based on other users rating those answers. Here we see a collaboration which has been updated with an expert's response. The system can immediately learn this user's preferred communication channel based on how they responded to the collaboration invitation, such that next time the system interacts with this user, for example for another collaboration invitation, the system can utilize that user's preferred communication channel. The system can also learn additional expertise this user has by looking at the concepts mentioned in their response. An average response time can iteratively be developed for the user based on how quickly they respond to collaborations, such that if an urgent collaboration is created, those who tend to respond in a timely manner can be invited first. After the user has posted their response, other users of the collaboration can rate the effectiveness of that response so that the system can learn the effectiveness of this user for that particular area of expertise. We now see that the system has captured any additional concepts mentioned in the expert's response. Those concepts are then used to further refine our search results. More importantly, however, the expertise locator is updated with these new concepts to invite additional experts into the collaboration based on the newly mentioned areas of expertise. And finally, no system will be complete without reporting capabilities. Here we see a dial report which indicates the average time to resolution for all collaborations in the system. If we wish to look at collaboration statistics by business channel, we can do so using the following report, and we can also easily drill down on a single business channel. Doing so displays the communication channels utilized by that particular business channel. eVergence thanks you for watching this brief video demonstrating a new solution framework developed for taking advantage of Web 2.0 multi-channel communication and collaboration principles as an option for next generation knowledge management, or KM 2.0. Again, this framework is completely technology independent and can utilize any software components or modules your organization already has, or can offer open source components when needed. Although we have only shown a few communication channels in this video, the system can interact with virtually any communication system, such as SMS text messaging, smartphones, voice telephone, and many more. The idea with this framework is that the technology adapts, not the user. As you have seen, the system applies an innovative learning technology to allow users to simply interact in the manner they prefer and utilize today. For those organizations that utilize KCS, or Knowledge-Centered Support, this system can offer KCS in its truest form. Thank you again, and if you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us.